watched you, just stick right through the video and enjoy this video as I create this whole amazing look I have on my face. Shout out to, I don't really know his name, but I would pop up right here his TikTok page because he had this amazing pink look, and I was like, okay, I'm black. Pink would really look weird on my skin, so I did orange, and this is what I came out with. But I'll post his page for TikTok right here so you guys will see him. The makeup look was amazing and it was lovely. I loved it and I wanted to repeat it. So TikTok made me do it. So watch me do my own version of this look right here. I love you guys so much. So guys, I decided to go with my primer. I went in with my Blossom Baby Skin Primer to prime my face. And guys, this look was so beautiful. Like you guys should try to check him out on Instagram on TikTok. I already tagged him on the beginning of the video so you could see his TikTok handle. It was so creative, guys. I didn't even do justice to the look, but thanks, guys. Thanks for the inspiration. Now I'm going in with my foundation at the high points of my face where I really need them, and I'm also going with my concealer. I learned this also from TikTok. This is a trick I learned on TikTok to avoid you using so much product on your face. This is like a way to use less product, and it works like perfectly. I said to God, guys, I have not used my foundation in a normal routine since I started doing this. So it looks so good. Now I'm just putting that concealer in my C zones and where I would need it. You see right here, I'm using the concealer to help make my contour sharp. Now I'm going in with my contour shade, which guys, you have to look off me. My contour shade looks a little bit like my skin tone shade, but trust me, it's a tad bit darker. It is. So now I'll spray everything down with my Flawless Ivory hydrating mist because I want this to be ready for me to blend it out. I like going in with the brush because it helps me spread the product way faster and even, and then I can easily go over it with a beauty blender. That's how I use my products. That's how I apply my base, and I love this trick. Like this is one of the trick or hacks I got from TikTok, and I absolutely love. Like you guys should do your foundation and consider like this, and tag me on your videos, or maybe comment down below if you liked it because I did and I totally loved it. So, and this idea is not really my idea, but I've seen a lot of influencers do it, so I don't really know who it started from. I actually got it from TikTok, just in case you're trying to know. Now I'm going in and blending my contour. I stick out my tongue and because I was just goofing around and having fun. Contour and you see how she said that's making my face look because I have a very puffy face. Now I'm going in with my damp beauty blender on my inner corners because that's the place I need that concealer to see how it's popping already. Because I actually let it stay for a while, and it can easily bright up my eyes. Like see how the other part look dark and see how bright this other part is. Game changer. And guys, I know I try to make videos with me talking and then later I'll end up doing a voiceover. It's because most of the times when I create my videos, I have Madam Jessie, which happens to be my kid in the room. She's always talking and her voice is louder than mine. So there's nothing I can do about that. But just manage and endure and be patient. I went in with a powder and like my powder from my adventure powder palette, and I'm setting in that powder. I saw this trick also on TikTok. Set with a powder and then you go over with the powder puff with your loose powder. I didn't have a powder puff, so I'm using my beauty blender to set and bake, and basically that's it. Like look at how flawless my under eyes is. By the way, guys, right now I broke out so badly. My skin here is looking way better compared to my skin now. I don't know why I'm breaking out really bad. It's really not motivating me to create content because I don't like the stage that my skin is, but Don't worry, guys. It's gonna be good. I had to work on my base to be so flawless because, like, this, this beautiful. I don't know what he identify as, if it's a he or a she. But sorry if I get it wrong. But whatever you identify as, his makeup was so flawless. Like it was so on point. Oh my god, it was just flawless, and I was amazed. But this is my skin, and I really don't use filters on my videos because I want to give you guys the real view on how I look, and this is it. So I show you guys my texture and all. So if you come on TikTok, which you should also follow me on TikTok, and you see my textured face, especially with the new videos I'm uploading now of me having breakouts, don't talk to me because I'm dealing with a lot already as it is. Anyway, I'm going in with like a very light range shade. His look was done in pink, but then I'm a black girl and I thought pink. I don't really know. Maybe I really tried later with pink, but I didn't really know how pink would look on me. So I decided to do this look in orange. I actually switched it up because if you've met me, when I do makeup, I'm always confused. I say this is what I want for the makeup, and I later I end up doing something totally different, which I actually kind of messed up his look. Like what he did is not really what I did, if you get what I'm saying. I still don't know why I did that. Anyways, moving forward, I'm taking a darker orange and I'm trying to intensify that look. Like, see, this orange is so beautiful. Like, see how that orange is blending in. By the way, this eyeshadow palette, I love it. And if you're a brand anywhere and you really want to work with me, all you just need to do is send me product. I will be so glad to review them. And I'll actually start on my YouTube channel to start reviewing products, especially Nigerian brands, because somebody got to spill the tea, and I'm just going to be buying these things and reviewing them. And even if I'm being sent a package, I would review them for what it is, and that would be what it would be. If you don't like my review, I am sorry, but please, I want us, entrepreneur, because I do have a business. I want us entrepreneur to work hard on making sure that our businesses to make sure that our products that we put out there are great. Like I do have a hair care brand I've been trying to master and create the formula to be perfect. But not really perfect, but good because you can never get anything 100% perfect. But I've been working so hard on this for years, like years, guys. I've been working on this since 20, I think around 2018, around 2018, 2017. That's how long I've been working on this, guys. And I still have not finalized what I want to do or how I want it to be. I finished cutting my crease and I'm going over with a red, an orange eyeshadow. By the way, guys, if you see my husband working on the background, that's because him and Jesse, oh my god, they were having a hell of a night. They were trying to shower, but Jessie was screaming on her lungs, and you could hear her if I actually unmuted. That's why I had to mute this video. But see how good this look, and this is me feeding myself and talking because this look was bomb. Like it brought out the creativeness in me, the creative juice in me. In which ways, I'll be getting some product and I'll be trying it out and I'll be explaining to you guys the product and based on what they said this product does, you should be doing what they say it did. Like that there's a particular certain mix I saw online that they said if you use it your foundation or your whatever would not move. It's a Nigerian brand and I'm really excited to get that. Actually I'm thinking of how to get it, but shipping these days in Nigeria is crazy. So I'm just keeping down low and plan my orders and be able to order that because I really want to try it and know how it will look because I would die for that. Now, let me tell you guys a funny story about this eyeliner I'm doing here. First of all, I have hooded eyes. Second of all, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not a liner person because Back in the days when I was learning makeup, when I started getting into makeup, I always used to like drawing liners, but my liners were never turning out good because I didn't know how to do liners for hooded eyes. So I tend to just avoid the idea of doing liners. Hence what I'm doing here, which looks weird. And the two eyes were not even the same. So do not come for me, guys. Do not come for me. I just had to do what I had to do. I actually tweaked the look a lot, but thank you so much for inspiring me at Zach. I think that's what his name is. Zach on TikTok. And yeah, like this is me drawing this line. I was so scared here. If you could hear my heartbeat was beating so fast, guys, so fast. And now this is me drawing that, and I actually messed this up. At the end, with all the times of me trying to be so careful, I actually ended up messing this look up. And it's just funny, but at the end, it still look good. I love the lip combo because I've never done anything like that. Even the idea of me bringing my blush down to my nose a little bit, taking my eyeshadow to, you know, contour my nose and mix a little bit of blush to my contour to contour my nose. That was such an amazing trick. I swear to God, guy, you give me life. You just made my creative juice to skyrocket. It's like, I can't even explain. Well, thanks. Like I see lots of creative content on TikTok. Like, I think he's unique time now. I can't even remember her name, but I'll try to tag her in this video. But she has like amazing videos she creates. She also give credits to other influencers that she used their look, and then there's one other lady I started watching her TikTok of recent, and she's doing this whole zodiac, this whole no month. She's doing this whole look inspired by every month of the year. Like, so beautiful what she's doing, and it's all very very creative. Like there's so many creative content creator out there, like, and I'm just inspired by them every day. I love me some creative juicy eye look, so you guys should stay tuned on me creating more juicy eye looks like that. And this video, I also want to use this video as kind of an announcement. I'll be posting more of shorts than YouTube videos just because I'm actually having issues with my camera, which I've been struggling with for years. And yeah, so I'll be creating more of shorts than YouTube videos, and also I'll be more available on TikTok than, you know, because it's the same videos I'm using for shorts. And these views, like I have one that I created, there's like pink and purple and white. Oh, that was so beautiful. You guys should check that out. It's actually on my shorts. So do well to check that out and drop me a loving comment. You know, if you try any of these makeup looks, please do well to let me know. Did you like it? Like exactly this is my lip here. I found it funny that I was doing an orange lip. It was so funny. It was so weird. But I figured it out because I'm a black girl, you know, I have to figure out what works for me. I have to figure out what works right for my skin tone. And this orange at first was not given. So I went in with a little bit of um dark orange slash brown, and I mixed that in. Like, see how it's coming together. I went in with like a lighter shade on my lip because he used like white, but I didn't really go white because it would look weird on my lips. So this is me finally trying to be like, okay, this is not bad. This is not bad. You know, the funny part is at the end of the time, this lip became my best lip of the year. Like my best lip of since like my best lip. It just became my best lip. I have not created anything so beautiful. I actually do love this lip combo. Thanks to you, Mr. Zach. And you know, I look so cute. This is me feeling myself. I look cute. I look beautiful to my face. I look cute. So cute, guys. And I went in with lip gloss, and basically that's the look. So I'm so excited that you guys stay tuned with me while creating this video. I love you guys so much. And thanks for your love and support. Like, see how I'm looking so good? Good. I look good. Okay, so I have my lashes on. These lashes are not dramatic at all. I think I'm getting used to dramatic lashes because that's what I've been doing these past few days. Trying to fix the lashes, got rid of my, messed up my liner in this eye a little bit, and it's not really sticking well. And I'm not gonna push myself for it because I don't have that time and that energy. But here you have this whole look to TikTok made me do it. Now I am never going to highlight, I'm never going to contour my nose with a blush ever again. And I'm not going to highlight my forehead, I'm not going to contour my forehead with a blush either again. But I do like the cheek and I'm not mad at the lips. I'm really not mad at the lips. I see myself doing this probably on Christmas Day because it looks good, like legitly good. So I'm not mad at the lips. I'm mad at the eyeliner, and that's all on me, not on the lip. But the lips, I'm okay with. The blush on the cheek, I'm okay with, but I'm just not okay with it on my forehead and my nose. So without that, I'm good. Well, thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I love you guys.